At this moment, I would like to address myself to my opponents. Four of them, and I would say that, well, these past few days were quite virulent for all of us. The black propaganda and the false accusations exchanged between two sides. And I would say these are really part of a day's work in an election. But I'd like to say that I'd like to reach my hand to my opponents. Let us begin the healing now. It's not the right of a thing. I'm sure that feathers have been ruffled terribly, and there's always the hurt. And I say the black propaganda, the propa, and all the, including the kitchen sink that was thrown my direction. I said, let's begin to forget and start the healing. I said I would like to reach the hands of I extend my hands to my opponents, and I said, let us be friends. Forget about the travails of elections.
At nandito kami sa Baguio, hindi kami maka-join sa inyo, pero nandito kami nagpapalamig ng konti. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nakipag-celebrate. Marami sa inyo ay pinakita doon sa inyong site yung inyong mga cake, no? At one of these days ay kakain tayo lahat ng cake at ice cream. So, nagpapasalamat ako muli. Marami po ang ating damdamin, pero parating nangingibabaw yung gratitude, yung pasasalamat sa inyong lahat, sa inyo na nagtiwala, nagbigay ng suporta, at talaga namang nagmahal sa akin at sa ating bansa. Maraming salamat. Mabuhay po kayo.